This is the second video in the Somerville Public Schools Xerox Printing Solution series. In the first video, you learned how to install the print driver, delete old printers, and print your first job through Drivve Print. There are three applications you will use on the Xerox printing stations: Copy, Drivve Print, and Drivve Image. And yes, Drivve Print and Drivve Image are spelled with two V's. They are Xerox applications. Not to be confused with Google Drive with one V. In this video, we will review Drivve Image. I'll demonstrate how to scan to email, scan to Google Drive, and print directly from Google Drive. Log in to any district Xerox machine with your ID. Select Drivve Image. First, let's learn how to scan to email. Select Scan to Email. Put the paper into the feeder at the top of the machine. Make sure to push it all the way in until you see the green light. Select Email, and then select To. You have a one-click option to send directly to yourself, or you can search for Somerville users. First, let's send it to ourselves by clicking on your name, then select OK. To send to another individual, select the To field again, and then select New. Now let's search for Somerville School District users. Enter the person's first or last name and select Search. Select OK, select OK again, select Back. Now let's name the file. Select File Name, type in a title, and select OK. Then select Scan. Now let's learn how to scan directly to Google Drive. Select Scan to Google Drive. Select Folder. This will show you all of your folders. Select the folder you want to scan to, and then select OK. Then select Scan. Now I'll show you my favorite feature. You can print directly from Google Drive by going to one of the Xerox machines. Let's say, for example, you're walking down the hallway and you forgot that you wanted to send something to the printer. If you've saved that file to Google Drive, there's no need to go back to your classroom and log into your computer. All you have to do is go to one of the printing stations, scan your ID, and drill down into your Google Drive folders. Let me show you how. Log in and select Drivve Image. Then select Print from Google Drive. Once your folders populate, then you can drill down into the correct folder and find the file you need, and then select OK. Select Print, and then you can adjust the number of copies that you need by selecting the arrow. Now select Print. The system will automatically log you out after 90 seconds, but it's good practice to just scan your ID again to log out quickly. You just learned how to scan to email, scan to Google Drive, and print directly from Google Drive using Drivve Image with two V's. It's another great reason to store your files in Google Drive because it'll make it much more convenient for you to be able to access the things you need to print. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.